Hey everybody. Hey, real quick, it looks like Georgia may be I don't know, they could be the leader, I'm not sure, but looks like there's possibly $24 billion in fraudulent PPP loans. So when they come knocking and these aren't the alphabet boys, maybe just the news, it can get a little embarrassing. So maybe sometimes you ever heard that silence is golden? In my opinion, if they come knocking and you see it's the news, here's what not to do. Check it out.
Receives these loans is publicly available. We've been looking through it and looking at some of these companies that are registered with the Secretary of State and don't have an online presence. We wanted to find them and ask them a simple question. What does your company do? Turns out that wasn't so simple. I'm trying to reach Money Ain't a Problem Entertainment.
Oh, Alexa. Okay.
Is that you?
No, it isn't. He's at work.
We went to this Gwinnett County home looking for a company that received more than $22,000 in federal Paycheck Protection Program payments. We couldn't find Money and a Problem Entertainment registered with the Georgia Secretary of State or active online. He received a PPP loan, and we can't find any record of the business existing. So I'm just trying to understand what it is.
Oh, see, I don't know.
We dug through thousands of pages of PPP data and found that more than 553,000 PPP loans were handed out in Georgia, totaling more than $24 billion just in Georgia. But we know that tens of millions of dollars of that money here in Georgia went to fake companies trying to steal your tax dollars.
I think it's a righteous use of your federal tax dollars to go after these people.
David Estes is the U.S. Attorney for the Southern District of Georgia. You're sending the message here, if you cheat the American taxpayers, we're going to find you.
And we will.
He says it doesn't matter how small the dollar amount of the potential fraud.
We're going to look at every single case. Some of the smaller cases have led us to bigger cases.
This is one of those cases Estes is prosecuting. Decula resident Ashley Parker allegedly submitted more than 24 fraudulent applications for COVID relief, adding up to $2 million. Prosecutors charged she spent part of those illegal proceeds on plastic surgery, including breast augmentation and liposuction. Hi, it's Justin with Channel 2. I'm trying to reach Ashley. Hello?
Get off my porch, man. I'll put something on both of y'all.
We tried to track down Parker at her Decula home, luxury cars, a Mercedes, and a Lexus in the driveway. The person who answered the doorbell called me several names we can't say on television. Is Ashley here?
No, your mama here.
No, I don't think so. I'm looking for Ashley Parker.
I'm sorry. Okay, that's what not to say. That, in my opinion, is what not to say. She said, no, your mother's here, your mama's here. Yeah, sounds to me like Ashley may be in a little trouble. So correction. So $24 billion was reportedly given out in the state of Georgia. $24 billion in PPP loans. However, they're suspecting that I guess millions might be fraudulent. Wow. So it sounds like to me there's going to be a lot of activity in Georgia. $24 billion in PPP loans given out, and they're stating that maybe millions of those loans could be fraudulent. You see the last lady who spent the money that she got for the PPP loan on herself, living maybe a little lavishly. So they said, this woman here pictured, it says 24 fraudulent applications, 24 fraudulent applications equaling $2 million. And she used some of it on plastic surgery for breast augmentation. Well, I think there's a high probability that, as to where she may go, and I don't mean on a vacation or the cruise line. They can't undo the breast augmentation. The money been spent. So I'm afraid she's going to be doing quite a bit of time. There was a realtor, and Becky was cute. Oh, I'll post it for you. She was a broker, and she, I believe she got a hold to $381 million. No, that million. I'm sorry, thousand. Correction. The broker, $381,000. And well, she's not a broker probably anymore. I'm sure she will lose her license. They gave her 3.5 years. And again, her amount was $381,000 in fraudulent PPP loans. 3.5 years. Was it worth it? It's not. Because when you get out, first of all, the time, 3.5 years. And jail is not a place you really want to be cute. Not just the prisoners, but also the jailers, the guards. Are you serious? A many woman ends up mysteriously in an all women's facility. How you end up with child? Huh? So this one here, this lady, plastic surgery. So money ain't a problem. Entertainment. I think money is going to be a problem. And I also think that, let's see, I think freedom may also be a problem. I mean, I could be wrong, but I do think freedom is going to be, going to kind of be a little problem. So this is really sad. People that think this through, either they were just gullible, fraudulent, or some just desperate and dumb, didn't think it through. I think they saw free lunch, a free come up. Not knowing, that's how the alphabet boys do. They'll put it out there sometime and see who bites. And when the money's been spent, long gone. Oh yeah, they also, have access to your bank account where you probably deposited that check. You don't understand that. And the bank is not going to go, oh no, you can look at so-and-so's account. Oh no, you cannot, and see what. Yeah, that's how they catch him. Dusty Dan, oh, he got millions. Yeah, the bank done already gave him up. He was in Las Vegas. He was gambling. Sports cars. You didn't get a Lambo, did you? He bought sports cars. He was gambling in Vegas. The bank know where the money came from. Then they see you at the Ferrari dealership. You at the Benz. You bought a Benz. They can see where the money's going. That's one thing people didn't realize. And so the bank will pretty much, may let them know, yeah, by the way, that's how he reportedly got caught, the bank. They saw him going out to Vegas, man, just getting cash out, buying that Ferrari, things he never had before. And where the influx of cash from? Follow the money trail. The PPP loan, that's how they got him. How do you think they know what this young lady here did with the money? Bank records. Yeah. Keep telling you there are no secrets. Bank records. So this here, money ain't a problem. I think money is a problem, and I think that's what led to it. People thought, oh my gosh. I mean, this one right here, this chick here, 24 fraudulent applications. Wow, she must have been busy with no fear. Do they not know government, aka alphabet boys? So if the broker, she got $381,000, and they gave Becky 3.5 years in prison, a world she's not accustomed to. If they do that at $381,000, now they might make a deal. I would imagine maybe they can broker a deal with money, ain't a problem, entertainment, because obviously money is. Hey, it's a problem for me too. But come on now, you gotta think. So back to the broker. If Becky the broker, that's not her name. I just saw the picture. But if she got $381,000 and her excuse was everybody else was doing it, girl, bye, and everybody else been going to jail too. What do you think you're gonna get? $2 million. I think a jumpsuit is guaranteed. $2 million. Listen, they know you can't pay the money back. Restitution. I think a jumpsuit is pretty much guaranteed. I really do. So the news is knocking on doors again. The last lady They came to her home and they saw the vehicles. What was the response?
Reach Ashley? Hello?
So yeah, so in this last clip, they're looking for Ashley.
Spent part of those illegal. Fuller resident Ashley Parker allegedly submitted more than 24 fraudulent applications for COVID.
So this right here on the screen, he's saying it's Ashley Parker. So they showed up at Miss Ashley Parker's house.
Our cases have led us to bigger cases.
This is one of those cases Estes is prosecuting. Decula resident Ashley Parker allegedly submitted more than 24 fraudulent applications for COVID relief, adding up to $2 million. Prosecutors charged she spent part of those illegal proceeds on plastic surgery, including breast augmentation and liposuction. Hi, it's Justin with Channel 2. I'm trying to reach Ashley. Hello?
Get off my voice, man. If I put something on both of y'all.
We tried to track down Parker at her Decula home, luxury cars, a Mercedes, and a Lexus in the driveway. The person who answered the doorbell called me several names we can't say on television. Is Ashley here?
No, your mama here.
Well, I don't think his mother's there. I think Ashley. I'm sorry. I think Ashley's there. I could be wrong, but I kind of makes me wonder. Ashley, is that you? So plastic surgery, breast augmentation, and liposuction. I guess she was, really snatched. And asked it all, I'm afraid they're going to snatch you up out that nice home and put you in a jumpsuit. Again, $2 million. People, I guess they thought it was so easy. You do know it was the government. They don't play about the money. Man, sometimes some people can get less time for unaliving somebody than stealing some money. So for poor Miss Parker, I think a jumpsuit is in your future. I do. It's not going to be designer. I think a jumpsuit is in your future. Heaven forbid she has a family or a mom. Oh my goodness. What if she's a mother and may have to go away? What if she is a mother? So you can say goodbye to that home. They'll probably take that or maybe want a foreclosure, even the cause. These people out of them, they're, besides losing their freedom, they are going to lose it all. Didn't think it through. Anyway, what do you guys think about this? Wow, this has been a heck of a year, 2024. This year has not been a year without drama. I mean, like major drama. Anyway, thanks for watching. Feel free to comment, like, subscribe, and share. Unbelievable. So, okay, let me know your thoughts on it, and I'll see you in the next one.